What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today guys I'm going to be showing you how to fix a PS4 controller. So my controller is not charging, it's not turning on, and that's probably why you're in this video. I'm going to show you how to do it. So what you want to do is you want to get like a screw like this that's small enough to go in the holes there, 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 and there. So I took them off camera because it's hard to do it with one hand, but yeah, you got to take them out. And what you want to do is you're going to gently take the top part off. Here, I'll show you off camera. See, like this, I've taken the controller off and it falls off like this. What you want to do then, just flip it upside down. Hold up. Alright, I got two hands now guys, so you want to take this part off, just, you know, that part goes there. You just want to unconnect it, and this will be like this, there holding the battery. And what you don't do is you just want to take the battery out. So your battery's out, just put it over there. And what you're looking at now is this little thing. You just want to take that out. Right? You just want to blow it, just make sure it's clean. Just so it's clean, and you want to put it back together. It's pretty simple. So all you want to do is just put it back together. Just struggling. That one there, put the battery back in. But then before you put the battery back in, and take everything back out and then put this one back in. Like that. It's pretty hard. You just gotta get it straight and then put it back in. Oh, this is hard. This is hard. Alright, I got it back in. So that's back in now. So you put everything back on. Put this one back on. Put that one back on. Make sure that's just stuck in there again. And then put this back on. And put this little thing back down here. And this one. Okay, it's in now. You just want to make sure it's sticking at the top. Just stick it in there, just push it down, and then you want to put the lid back on. Make sure this one goes in like this. Oh! And like that. Oh, this is in. Shut it all off, and then screw it back together. Alright, lid on, and then you're gonna get your screw back and your nails that you should have put aside. Put them in. Or before you put it in, you could try it out and see if it works. See, mine definitely isn't working, but you can get a charger, so I'll be right back. So you get your charger, and you can plug it in to your PS4 controller. Once you plug it in, it should work. Mine definitely doesn't work. Mine's 100% broken. But if that doesn't work, then probably gonna have to watch other videos or get a new controller, because this is the easiest way you can do it, and that definitely works. But yeah, see you guys.